Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. You guys, today is going to be a almost 1 year anniversary of my hair shedding from COVID or telangiectatic fluvian. So if you are interested in hearing my hair's progress, then just keep watching. So you guys, today is October 28th, 2022. I lost 45% of the density of my hair November 3rd, which is only a couple of days away. Last year I had got COVID in July of 2021. And I didn't notice that my hair started coming out until I had braids in my hair, and then I did a rebraid on just the front of my hair maybe a month and 2 weeks later, and I noticed that the front of my hair kind of came out more than normal, but I thought it was just because of the transition from me coming from Florida coming back here, and I thought that my hair, it was just shedding from that. So I rebraided my hair, and then I went out of town to Atlanta and I rebraided my hair again. So this was going on almost like a 2.5 month mark, and I noticed that a lot of my hair shedded when I had rebraided the back of my hair. A grip of my hair came out, and I was in Atlanta for 6 weeks. So by the time I had almost got done with all of my hair being rebraided, I was like, wow, like, is something terribly wrong with my hair? Don't know what's going on. So 2 weeks later, I decided to take all of my braids out of my hair, and that's when I noticed like my braids was a lot thinner than what they were when I put them in my hair in July. So my braids was in July, August, September, October, November. So they were in almost 4 months when I decided to take them out. And then that's when the big old chunk of my hair came out. Like 45% of the density of my hair came out when I was in Atlanta. And now here we are today. What have I been doing with my hair since then, and how far has my hair come? And also I'm gonna throw in some postpartum shedding too. I had my son February 2020, and then I had mini twist in then, and I took my mini twist out about 5.5 months later. I took them out in like July when my son was like 5 months, and I had suffered from really bad thinning edges, and my hair was completely gone with that. So I had to stop doing mini twist then because my hair wasn't strong enough. In 2022 my hair got strong enough for me to do mini twist about a year after I had my son, and then I went out of town and then got COVID, and then November all of my hair came out, and I have not been able to do mini twists since then. And I know that my hair, mini braids since then. So this is my first time actually having a protective style in my hair for this long, because my hair was not rocking with protective styles. My scalp was extremely itchy, my hair was still shedding. What I did to stop my hair from shedding was using tea rinses, and also using my DIY oil that I put like tea in. I use a lot of different herbs that helps with stopping hair fall and also making your hair thicker. I also use a lot of castor oil, and that's what actually helped my hair from like stop shedding and trying to help it get back into the cycle of growing and get it out of the cycle of being in a shedding state. Sorry if I sound weird, guys. Like, for one, I'm getting over having like a cold or something, and then two, I just got braces back in my mouth, so if I kind of sound like it's a little weird, but that's why, is because of my voice is kind of still raspy from getting over this cold, and then my mouth with the braces. So yeah, I couldn't do protective style, so I've literally just been wearing my hair in 2 big braids or very low manipulative styles with either 2 French braids or 2 big just braids that I braided down, or putting it off into a low bun. I really haven't been doing high buns because my scalp is so sensitive with the weight of my hair. Even though I lost 45% of the bulk of my hair is still heavy, especially if I have product in it. So I've been really trying to stay away from using hair ties or putting my hair in low buns. But when I do a wash day, I will put a hair tie on my hair until my hair dries in place, and then I'll take the hair tie off of my hair so that my hair can expand, but it won't expand as big as it could if I didn't put a hair tie on there. But I'm not leaving hair ties on my hair days and days and days and days on end, because I don't want my hair to be broken off by the hair tie, because my hair is in such a fragile state right now. So I'm gonna stop rambling and show you guys some of the pieces of my hair that's just making me want to lock my hair, because with it being in these twists, I've been like, dude, my hair's been like this for a month and a week, and I've been like, I should literally just lock my hair and cut some of these short pieces off and then just wait for it to grow back. Okay, so some of the pieces that, so this, like this piece right here, like, let me find it. I'm gonna get a white piece of paper for y'all or something. Okay guys, so you can see how my hair is thick all the way here, and then how fuzzy and frizzy it is, and then by the time it gets all the way down here, it's just not even fuzzy or frizzy anymore. And you can see how thin my hair is on this strand. And then also like with this twist right here, like you can see how thick all of this is up here, and then by the time it gets down to here, it's like all of this needs to be cut off. Like, it is such a big difference from this, and I'm trying to get like a really good shot for you guys, but it is such a huge difference from the top of here to here. So honestly, all of that needs to go bye-bye. And I don't have a tape measure, but I'm pretty sure that's over 12 inches of hair that actually needs to be cut off. So with my hair, it's really growing out from postpartum and from all of my hair thinning out, you guys. I've just literally been keeping my hair in very low manipulative styles and greasing my hair, and my hair just got back to a good state to where I can do a protective style. And the way that I knew that my hair was needing to be back in a protective style was washing it. The 2 different textures or the 2 different densities of hair, washing it, it was starting to become a struggle at the root, and then keeping the bottom from getting really tangled on itself, because the bottom is really tangly. And I just cut 13 inches of my hair off, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but that's why my hair is so short, because I chopped my hair off. Even though my hair is still long, I cut a lot of my hair off. And you guys, this has just been a real journey, but I've just been keeping oil on my scalp and grease on the length of my hair. I've been trying to keep my hair away from all store-bought products for the most part. I have completely stopped using mane and tail and a lot of my staple hair products that you guys have seen on this channel. So my hair is growing back. You guys, I'm gonna try to put a couple of photos in of my edges and what they look like before and after. But as you guys can see, all of my edges has grown back in from postpartum, and the parts of my hair that's really struggling now is literally just the edges and stuff from postpartum shedding, and also the thinning edges. But you guys, I'm just here to show you guys the progress of my hair and just letting you guys know, it's like, yeah, I'm gonna have to cut a lot of hair off. I've already cut 13 inches of hair off, but I know I got probably another 12 inches left to cut off, but I don't want to hack it all off at one time. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.